Good morning, students. Today we will learn about large number in practice. So our first topic is unit of length. Unit of length means whenever you want to go outside, at that time you will ask your father or mother or any other person who is elder than you. That means how many kilometer it is far from here. So that is unit of length. So 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. So 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. Millimeter is denoted by mm and centimeter is denoted by small cm. So 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. 1000 millimeter is equal to 1 meter. So if they would ask that 1 meter is equal to dash millimeter, then you have to write 1000 millimeter. If they would ask 1 meter is equal to dash centimeter, then you have to write 100 centimeter. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter or 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. Now we move to the next one. 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. If they would ask that 1 kilometer is equal to dash centimeter, so 1000 into we have to multiply with 100. So it will be 1 lakh centimeter. So here kilo is the greatest and the milli is the smallest. So if they would ask which is the smallest unit in this, then you have to write milli. If they would ask what is the greatest in this unit, so you have to write kilo. Our next topic is unit of mass. Mass means whenever you are going in market for purchasing of vegetables, grains, wheat, anything, pulses, that will come in kg. So that 1 kilogram of potato, 1 kg of tomatoes, that weight is known as mass. Here two topics will be there. One is grams and kilograms. So you have to make by heart. One is grams and another one is kilograms. 1 gram and it is denoted by G. So 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams and it is denoted by mg, small mg. So 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. So if they would ask 1 kilogram is equal to dash milligrams, so you have to multiply 1000. 1 kilogram is equal to dash milligram. So 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams into 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So it will be 10 lakh milligrams. Topic is unit of capacity. When you will go in market, you want to purchase cold drinks. So there it will be mentioned 250 ml, 500 ml. That weight, capacity of that bottle's weight is known as unit of weight. So 1 liter and it is denoted by L is equal to 1000 milliliter and it is denoted by ml. So now we will move to example number 1. Example number 1 is population of Surendranagar was 2,35,471 in year 1991. In year 2001 it was found to be increased by 72,958. What is the population of the city in year 2001? So we have to find out population of city in year 2001. So it is not given, that we have to find out. Population of city in year 1991, it is given, that is 35,471. So in year 1991, the population of city was 2,35,471. Then after they have told that it is found to be increased by 72,958. That means increase means we will do plus. If it is decrease, we will do minus. So here it is increase. So plus increase in population is equal to 72,958. So we will add this both. Five plus 7 plus 5 12 1. 9 plus 1 10 10 plus 4 14. 5 plus 1 6 6 plus 2 8. 3 plus 7 10 1 carry on. So 3,08,429. So total population of city in year 2001 is equal to 3,08,429. This is our answer. If they have asked that population of city in 1991 was 2,35,471 and it is found that in 2001 it is decreased by 72,958. So instead of that plus we will do minus. Now we will go to example number 2. In one state, the number of cycles sold in year 2002-3 was 7,43,000. In year 2003-4, the number of cycles sold was 8,100,000. In which year were the more bicycles sold and how many more? So in year 2000, the number of bicycles sold was 7,43,000. In year 2003-4, the cycle were sold was 8,100,000. So in which year the cycles were sold more? So obviously in year 2003-4. Why? Because here it is 7,43,000 and in year 2003-4 it is 8,01,000. So our answer is in year 2003-2004 cycles were sold more. And in last line they would ask how many more. So that we have to find out. So how will we find out? From 2003-4 how many cycles were sold minus cycle sold in 2002-3. So cycle sold in year 2002-2003 is equal to 2003-2004 is equal to minus cycle sold in year 2002-3 is equal to 7,43,000. So 0 minus 0, it will be 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 0, it will be 1. 0 minus 3, so we can't do it. So we will cut and write 10. So 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. Again 0 minus 4, we can't do it. So already once we have got it, so it will come here 9. 9 minus 4, it will be 5. So here will be 7. 7 minus 7, 0. How many more cycles it is sold in year 2003-4? So it is 57,100. Is equal to 57,100.